Good morning, beautiful people. Aloha kakahiaka. It's Saturday. I gotta go to work. So, I'm making some breakfast right now. I ain't gonna lie, I am tired, but that's okay. Because we gotta go do what we gotta do. So, I just had some mushrooms, some eggs. I'm gonna put some cheese on that bad boy. Just like this. Have a little frittata. Okay? And then I'll throw them in the oven. I get them on broil. Because the bottom is cooked great because the pan was hot earlier. I sauteed the mushroom. I will start showing you guys cooking videos, but I gotta buy me a tripod or something because I don't know how to do that part. So I stick them in the oven. We're gonna melt the cheese on the top. And then after that, we're gonna make a tapenade for the top. Boom. So we're just gonna use what ingredients I have inside the refrigerator. I'm not gonna go buy you an onion or anything like that. We get green onions because I grow them. So anyway, I'll let you guys know how the tapenade comes out. Show you the final picture. Showtime. Okay, should be ready. Oh yeah, baby. How beautiful that is. Oh, okay, it's plating time. Showtime. Okay, beautiful people. So I am going to post it, but just want to you guys. This is what I came up with the mushroom egg frittata. I went ahead and put some avocados because that makes me filled up too for the day, and then a little tomato tapenade. So I'm very happy about that. I think I gotta order me a tripod so you guys can watch me film, because not every time I can wake up my honey for film me. That's hamish. Nah. All good. Have a beautiful day, beautiful people. Enjoy. Ooh, shit, I love this part. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Let's do it this way. Ooh, that is wonderful. Yes, yes, and one more time. Ooh, no fork. Let's try. This is always the fun part, is to try the creations and see how it worked out. Make sure you get everything you cooked on, then put on top of it and everything to make sure it's good. And get that bite. Look at that. Alright, let me try that. Home run. Whoa, beautiful people. That is major. That is honor. I'm very happy. Showtime. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys something real quick, because I'm going to put away and packing up already. But you see? You see it inside. You see the mushrooms? It is practically mushrooms. I put the eggs on top. But that's what makes this thing so hearty. I am full right now. I am full. That's wonderful. And then when I want a little snack, I'm going to grind that. Because the buggy is on a Showtime.